What does $22.9 million buy you in Tampa, Florida? So, spoiler alert, it's not just a home, it's an experience, that's for sure. Today, I'm taking you inside Mision Lago Estate, one of Tampa Bay's most extraordinary properties. If you're new here, I'm Britta Becker, local Tampa real estate agent with Tampa Bay Real Estate Company and the host of American Dream TV's Selling Tampa. I share insider looks at Tampa's neighborhoods, luxury homes, and lifestyle. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's next. Here's the grand scale. Mision Lago Estate sits on 22 acres of gated lakefront property on Lake Thonotosassa, offering unmatched privacy and definitely exclusivity. The home itself spans over 25,000 square feet with soaring ceilings, custom millwork, and artisan finishes everywhere you look. Some of the unique features that you won't see anywhere, it's not just massive, it's one of a kind, this estate. Imagine having a replica of the Oval Office, a fully recreated Tampa Theatre screening room, and even a dedicated memorabilia gallery, all under your own roof. These aren't just rooms, they're definitely experiences. In fact, the incredible screening room will be the backdrop for my next American Dream TV segment, and I can't wait to share that with you. This home is luxury living at its finest, with 6 suites, 12 bathrooms, multiple terraces, and a separate North Tower suite with its own entrance and parking. This estate blends grandeur with functionality. Outside, you'll find a lagoon-inspired pool with a waterfall, expansive entertaining spaces perfect for Florida, and 682 feet of lake frontage. And this property is not just a private estate. It also includes an adjoining commercial venue, which means that it could be transformed into a boutique hotel, perhaps a corporate retreat, or even a world-class wedding destination. It's not just a residence, it's a rare investment opportunity too. So, what does $22.9 million buy you here in Tampa? At Mision Lago, it buys history, elegance, and the chance to own one of the most iconic estates in Florida. Homes like this just don't come around that often. They make a statement for generations. If you'd like more information on the Mision Lago estate or want to schedule a private showing, please reach out to me directly. And if you're thinking about buying, selling, or relocating to Florida, don't forget to subscribe for more insider looks at Tampa's best homes and neighborhoods. Thank you so much for watching, and I will look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye for now.